our personality of the week.
Police don't arrest 165 years old Pastor Festus Adeboye and 24 years old Bemisola Olufosi, 24 years old boy. Go carry in girlfriend, menstrual pad. The pad, those pad when get the CPO, when they carry pad, when the blood no come out. This boy, 24 years, go carry girlfriend pad. Carry go meet this pastor for ritual, for money ritual. After I do the money ritual finish, the girl thing begin smell, the private part begin smell. Even after they read this news like this, it come like that they perceive and the way the thing carry smell. The full compound, everybody don't know say this getting the smell. So if you are hearing under the sound of my voice, your thing the smell. Just no suspect say somebody don't carry do ritual. Either somebody don't carry do ritual. That make me. If I go meet babe, say I use condom, and they carry after I come, I carry condom put for pocket, carry the come out. I need to go to the arm. Before you know your thing they stand again. Somebody don't carry go your thing, go do ritual. Say this person thing, make it not stand again, make they get money. So can't tell you see. So put in the ear, they get ear problem. They don't carry the ear in this, you can go do ritual. Now maybe even my boxer self, I need to dry my boxers for outside. And they dry my boxers keep fine. No say I call here say these Yahoo girls don't carry my boxer go do ritual and my thing no go green they stand again. So this prophet basically he call himself prophet Festus Adeboye. Now native doctor as a confirmed native doctor. When they say him be prophet, they deceive people, wear suit, they open church. Now this boy carry the pad, go there. To go do money ritual. And the thing work, the guy they get money. But the get in the smell. Even the papa come out to say, when my daughter think the smell like this, when the mama will know the smell, I manage. Begin carry this girl work out for spiritual. Begin pray. Carry and go hospital, check medically. You know, so those kind of medical no go fit. Medical people no go fit. Cure am. Because spiritual, they don't carry do money ritual and somebody there somewhere. They make the money. If you don't know, if they get mad order, somebody don't carry your mat, go do money ritual. As they get the money for their ego, they get staunch, chronic mad-order. Now so the papa and the mama go report the thing, case. Go get police onto investigation. Police begin investigate, ask question. For you know, they don't go arrest the boyfriend. And you see where police interrogate here, my brother. Even if you go take code, say they go confess. You go confess, and you do amo. They will carry pattern upon your leg, come shame you, come nail fast. Some police they will nail you like Jesus, turn you upside down. My brother, I know manage to confess now. So the boy now don't confess, say, now he carry the girl pad, the girlfriend pad, 24 years old girl pad, carry go do this. After much interrogation and investigation. So right now, the matter, they for police hands. But if you're hearing under the sound of my voice, let me warn you again. If you think the smell, go and do check up. Somebody don't carry do ritual.
This episode is supported by The Appetite Shawarma and Smoothie.